Have you ever had the kind of low back pain where it's just uncomfortable to sit and you just can't find a comfortable position because you're getting either hip or back pain? Well, in this video, I'm gonna try to show you a couple unloading exercises that might help you kind of get out of that acute pain. You know, I gotta stand up. I gotta stand up. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Ed Deboo, physical therapist out of Integrated Physical Therapy in Bellingham, Washington. So I had a patient of mine get a hold of me, and they're on vacation in Tennessee right now. And he calls me in this big panic. He's like, Ed, I just threw my back out lifting up suitcases on top of the roof rack. I can't sit down. Standing up is better, but definitely sitting down, and we've got a 2-hour car ride. Is there anything that you can show me or help me to get rid of some of this acute lower back pain? And so I said, well, let me describe to you some unloading exercises. And it worked pretty well for him, so I decided I would make a video to share with the rest of you. First, we need to make a distinction between acute pain and chronic pain. Chronic pain is something that has been with you maybe for over 3 to 6 months, and it kind of waxes and wanes, and you're able to kind of figure out what to do with it. I will put a link right up here to specific exercises that's targeting the multifidus, which is basically that bird dog exercise, which is a great exercise for people that have chronic pain, as well as a 30-minute walk. So a 30-minute daily walk followed by a set of 10 of the bird dog exercises, in my opinion, in my practice, has been the best long-term insurance against chronic lower back pain. And it's not the end all, but it's a good place to start. The kind of pain I'm talking about is the kind where you can't sit on the side because if there's compression on there, something's being pinched or irritated. Either way, we want to try to unload it. Now, what could be the source of the pain? It could be an irritated nerve root. It could be some sort of disc bulge. A lower back pain is complicated. And at this point in time, if you're in a lot of pain, you don't really care what it is. You just want it gone. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways in which you can try to unload your spine a little bit to see if any of them decrease your pain. Now the key to remember is that they should not make your pain worse, and hopefully they will make your pain better. If one of those 4 make your pain better, the idea is that you want to do 3 30-second intervals. And so I'll talk you through it. The first way to unload is just simply using our arms. So imagine that you've got a firm chair that you're sitting on, or even a chair with some armrests. And the idea is that you're going to slowly take a little bit of weight onto your hands and kind of breathe and relax. And you should feel a little separation right in that lower back, lower region. If this is something that helps to reduce the pain, you're going to hold this, breathe through it for about 30 seconds. Now, when you're done with your 30 seconds, you don't want to just drop back and load it up again. So assuming that you go nice and easy, like right now it's just killing my hip, I'm going to unload it a little bit, and you know what? Not perfect, but it does feel a little better, then bingo, that's what we need to do. And you're going to hold this position for about 30 seconds. You're going to keep your spine nice elongated, but you're going to relax your stomach, and you should really feel that separation in the small of your back. Now, when you're done with your 30 seconds and you're going to re-accept the weight onto your spine, do it slowly, gradually, keep your core engaged. Now is the time to keep things tight. Okay, good. Then you can get up, walk around a little bit, see how you feel, but then do it 3 times. Same kind of thing. Another way to unload it involves lying down, because some people are in so much pain they can't even sit at all. So oftentimes lying down will ease the pain a little bit. And then what you'll do is you'll put your hands basically on the top of your thighs and then push down a little bit. And once again, if you're relaxed enough, you'll start to feel a little separation in that low back. Breathe through it, make sure you relax. Take inventory. If it's starting to reduce a little bit of the pain, you hold it for 30 seconds. When you're done with your 30 seconds, slowly ease up on the pressure again. If you let go too fast, it can rebound and really start to hurt again. The next way to unload your spine is with one of these pull-up bars that can go over the door. Now, I love these because it doesn't involve having to screw things into the doorway, and it's a little bit portable. So if you do need to take it off and take it back on again, you can without really damaging the wood. I'll put a link down below. It's called the Iron Gym Pro Fit, and it goes on in just a matter of seconds. This part right here loops underneath. I'll show you what it looks like. Loops on the inside and catches the door frame, and just in a matter of seconds it's up. Now once again, we're going to unload. So you're going to grip on wherever it's comfortable. You're going to slowly bend your knees. Obviously, if you have shoulder issues, this one isn't going to work, but if you can, get down to here, Keep your scapula in your back pocket, so don't let your arms hang loose. Kind of scapula in your back pocket a little bit so you feel some tension through your shoulder blades in a good way. And then slowly start to relax your stomach and see if you can get a little unloading. Now this is probably the most unloading that you're going to be able to do, and so this is effective for some people. After 30 seconds, you got to be really careful because you're going to get rebound pain if you're not careful. Slowly start to take a little bit more weight through your legs, engage your core, and slowly stand back up again. Walk around, move around, see how you feel, and then come back and do that 3 times. The last way to try to unload your spine is going to require something like a counter or a kitchen table, something that has a little bit of height to it. Then the idea is that you want to bring your hips close in and then come down onto your elbows and start taking the weight through your elbows, and then slowly start to relax. Let your lower body just kind of sink down. Now you may have to change the angle of your trunk a little bit because that changes where the traction or the decompression is going to occur. Slowly relax, and you should feel a little separation occurring in the small of your back. If it does decrease your pain, you're going to hold it for 30 seconds. When you're done with your 30 seconds, just like the other ones, slowly reaccept the weight again. The idea with these unloading exercises is that they're taking us out of this acute level of pain and hopefully being able to allow us to function a little bit better. Assuming that the unloading exercises help you, whenever you feel that, you're going to go back and do the unloading exercise again, whichever one is the most effective. So for example, let's say you can unload and it gives you about an hour or so of pain relief. The moment the pain starts again, boom, you're jumping on it and you're going to start to unload it and see how you do. Once the acute level of pain has hopefully subsided, that's when the work begins. And that's when you want to start your 30-minute daily walk, ideally on a level surface. And also too, you have to work on strengthening up your core in neutral. I'll be doing another video that talks about ways in which you can kind of prevent long-term chronic pain. Like me, for example, I'm 54 this year and I've had intermittent lower back pain for years, since I was even in high school. And so there's certain things I can and can't do with my spine if I want it to stay healthy and pain-free. And if you try it and if it helps, leave a comment down below. Let me know. It's worked well with my clients and hopefully it'll work well with you. All right, guys, if you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in next time. I'll see you later.